if you don't take out my name, Valerie's name, mommy's name, the whole family's name out of your mouth, then you are officially finished.
My wife has brought me down to the extent, Michelle has even fought me in that house. They knock the person for the house. Just because you say the man, say he gets small, bola, down. Can't think. Can't carry rope. Can't go bush, go by himself. Let her cut this video and take me to court if I'm lying. If not be, say that man go use rope by himself.
Then let me send you a voice message since you cannot talk, since it's destroying your mood. Sorry for destroying your mood, since everything is so perfect in your life, right? That's why you don't need mommy with her bad character to destroy your whole mood right now, or me. All I'm trying to say, because you don't give anybody a listening ear, that is your problem. Your ear is always blocked once somebody tells you the truth. Once somebody tells you that you are doing things wrong, it's not your ear is blocked. You will not let the person speak their mind. You see how you are interrupting me. You are fighting with me. You are telling me my mother is bad. My mother has a bad character. How dare you even use my mother as an example for a bad character? And nobody is perfect. Neither you. To say what provoked me just now the most is you saying you are 100% innocent in the breaking of this marriage. As if you are not the one. Let me remind you. As if you are not the one who went out, narrated mommy to multiple people, and you cannot lie. You cannot lie that you are not the one doing it. First of all, you narrated mommy everywhere, telling everybody how mommy is cheating you, how mommy is not a good wife, how mommy is making you feel small as a man. You narrated her. And do you know what that makes you? It makes you weak. It makes you look weak. Saying that you're going outside telling people your wife is not treating you as a man, your wife is belittling you. Can you imagine yourself? How can somebody, no, because mommy is here. Mommy just wants to be a wife. She just wants to be a woman. You know mommy's backstory. You know mommy, what mommy has been through. You know mommy as an independent woman. You got married to her when she was an independent woman. She was not a poor woman when she met you. Neither was she a stupid woman when you met her. You cannot expect me to be quiet, sit down and be quiet and let you talk down at my mom. You knew what you were getting yourself into. You knew it was not going to be easy. If you decide, maybe, okay, in the moment mommy came into your life, you were not rich. Neither did you have a big life. Mommy had a big life and she was already rich when she met you. So tell me, is it her fault that you're not feeling like a man? Is she supposed to give you money from her pocket for you to feel good? Are you not supposed to work for yourself? Is that not what a man is made of? Hard work and dedication, providing mindset. I saw the messages you sent to mommy. That mommy made you feel like you were wasting your life, that mommy did not give you an avenue to start your own life. Come on now. Nobody ever restrained you from building up your own life. We were even encouraging you, all of us. Deutsch course, you did not finish it. Car license, driving license, you did not finish it. They ask you to study, you will not study. I will start my own, so watch me be done before you. In a matter of 1 month, 2 months, I will be finished. Watch me. You cannot blame anybody for your downfall because you are doing it yourself. You have been doing it yourself. If you don't want, you cannot grow up. You cannot expect somebody to pull you up all the time. You're supposed to pull yourself up. Mommy found you in a low stage. You cannot grow up by yourself. You cannot grow as a person.
Yeah, let me correct that impression of I cannot pass my Dutch course. I got my Dutch certificate going to 2 years plus. I went to the school. After 1 month, I wrote my exam and I passed it. So all these one they are saying on social media, my wife is saying on social media that she wants me to be the man, she wants me to take over. You know, those are just cheap words. And it's only foolish people that will put that kind of statement into consideration. I've never seen a situation whereby they want someone to grow and it becomes a big problem. This was the major reason why the father of Dasieya is always descending on her. Both of them were always fighting. Let me tell you something you don't know about Mabel. Even when the father of Michelle was still alive, Mabel made that man's life a living hell. I will come to that in my next video. How Mabel brought the father of Dasieya to the house. And all these videos are going to serve as a reference. I know, I am very, very sure that the way Mabel, my wife, is misleading our kids. I just pray that Michelle don't learn from her this kind of dirty attitude. My wife has brought me down to the extent, you know, Michelle has even fought me in that house. Just listen.
You better give my voice messages a listening ear, since you cannot give me a listening ear on the call. It pains me that I have to send my own father or somebody who I thought is my father, because I cannot see as a father anymore at this point where you are just victimizing yourself, blaming everybody else for your problems. You are blaming me, blaming Valerie, blaming mommy. Who else do you want to blame? Do you want to blame Munachi as well? Do you want to blame Deja as well? Everybody is at fault except for you. You are the angel, you are the innocent one. I cannot believe that this is who I used to call a father. This is not how a father or the man of the house, the supposed man of the house, should react or act. Make a life. That is all they ask you to do. Make a life for yourself. Grow as a person. Let mommy grow as a person. Everybody go their own lane. Go their own way. And everything will be fine at the end. That is how you guys concluded in the beginning. But in this short time, you have managed to make it difficult for mommy by blaming pastor. Hey, the pastor even shocked me. The pastor did not do anything except for put the word of God in mommy's heart and in mommy's mind. He did not say, leave your husband. He did not say, your husband is a wicked man. Until you decided to show that side of you to him by blaming him for destroying your marriage. It was at that moment when you started to insult him, he did his own. And nobody can blame him for that, because you have a provocative way of talking. You are a provocative person. Truth must be told. Let's forget that I'm young, I'm a 17-year-old girl, and you are a grown man. Let's forget about that. The truth must be said. I cannot keep quiet. I'm not stupid, neither am I blind or deaf. It is a shame that I cannot call you and tell you that, because you cannot hear the truth. You will always defend yourself in the worst ways possible. But good for you. If this is how you want it to be, that is your own. They tried to talk to you many times. I have tried to talk to you. Everybody is tired of your issue. Mommy is not doing anything. Be mindful of that. It is not mommy's fault that you cannot contain yourself and think about your life for a second.
Mommy is innocent. She got married to the Holland man, Roland Wems. That was how he forced that man. He used bottle in breaking that man's head. That video is for another day. After Wem, he got married to the father of Michelle. the man never had peace for 1 minute. Before a full grown-up man, he not buy for accident. Before a full grown-up man can't sit down, can't think, can't carry rope, can't go bush, go by himself. Let her cut this video and take me to court if I'm lying. If not be, say that man go use rope by himself. Which man go take him? Hereby you get wife. Your wife can't bring somebody, can't say na a brother. Then he can't knock the person for the house. Just because you say the man, say he gets small bola. Instead of you to divorce the man, then you bring man come the house, come the torment the man. Then the man can go by himself. As you still married in Henry uncle, was it still easy? It was not still easy. Every day na fight. At the end of the day, on a divorce. What about me now? I don't become devil, I don't become blackmailer, I don't become all sorts of names when they call me on social media. But my pain is the way you take, the way you mislead our kids is so bad. Especially Michelle. She is a woman. She is a woman. Because she has copied all this your attitude, and it's not good at all. You pretend to be a saint. You pretend to be someone that you are not. I just pity Michelle.
But like I've said, if you don't mind your lane as from now, I will personally start dealing with you online and in real life. There's so much I can use against you if you don't mind yourself. That is all I can say. If you don't take out my name, Valerie's name, mommy's name, the whole family's name out of your mouth, then you are officially finished. No turning back. Then you have made your decision. If you cannot take mommy's name, if you cannot stop blaming the whole family for your problems, then there's nothing else I can say to you. Then the only thing I can do is show you the reality. To show the world the reality. Let everybody know. If I come out, you regret everything you have said, everything you have done. You are very wicked for everything you have done. You are very, very wicked. That's all I have to say. The chance to be peaceful and to be calm in this situation. So I'm very sorry, but I have no other choice. You have done your part. And if care is not taken, I will do my part. Try to come outside again and talk about us. You will see what will happen.
You see one of my videos, I said it. Thank God, a living dog is better than a dead lion. I am so happy. I am glad that I have the opportunity of deporting myself to Nigeria. You guys, that my wife was planning to use Michelle to set me up and send me to jail. I mean it. Because her plan was, organizing that I want to take advantage of her. And they will call the police. Before you know what is happening, I will go to jail. So those things, now things when you say I can't check and balance them, I say no. Instead of me to go jail for 15 years, 18 years for Europe, it is better I come back to my country, start up a new life. And I know, say, God will bless me. So, my wonderful people, Mabel is a manipulator. Mabel lives fake life. Just forget about all these things she's saying on the media, on the net. Someone that doesn't have good interaction with the family members, with the in-laws, with which person you feel also you get relationship with? No one person at all. And on my next video, I will let you know 2016, when Mabel went to Nigeria, what she went to do in Nigeria. All these things I'm saying is the facts. Please, guys, never use support or GoFundMe. It's a strategy to scam our fans. It's a strategy for her to get as if the whole world wants to crumble. The last time I checked, she was the richest lady in Austria. Abi, it don't change now. Or even in Europe. Fake life. Fake people everywhere. Kindly share this video. Love is a beautiful thing. Don't get it twisted. Bye-bye, guys.